First rhyme is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Next rhyme is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty Dumpty together again. Next rhyme is Ding Dong Bell. Ding Dong Bell pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy South.